Hi there, I'm Avie Herman of Fashionably from Motherhood, and I'm here today to teach you how to do a newborn carry with a Heritage Baby Designs ring sling. I love these slings because they are so long, so they fit a whole range of body types and sizes. They're really wide, so you can hold any baby from a newborn all the way up to a big toddler in them, which is so great. They're super versatile. They're made out of this absolutely gorgeous linen, and they are made locally in Ontario by a wonderful fellow mother. So these are great. I love them. Let me show you how to do this. So you first want to thread your sling. So you just pull the end in through here, flip it through the ring, and then you're going to pull it through again, just like that. And then we're just gonna walk our fingers through the fabric, like so. So that it's all nice and spread out evenly, and we're gonna probably do that one more time before we put baby in. So then if you're gonna hold baby on your left side, you're gonna take the sling in your right hand with the end facing towards the right. You're gonna lift it over your head, take your left hand, pop it through, and just slip it over your head. And then we're gonna just spread it out, make sure that we don't have anything twisted. The rings are going to be right up here close to your shoulder, and now we're going to make sure that everything is even. So this is a lot looser than this, so we're just going to tighten up so that it's a uniform tightness all the way through. And then we're going to just go one more time and do a quick little finger walk. Put our thumb inside and our fingers walking along outside just to even out the fabric and make sure that it's spread out so that when we tighten, nothing is caught up or tangled. Just gonna finish that up. All right, beautiful. Now I'm gonna go get my baby. So this doll is about the size of a big newborn. So I'm gonna just put baby on the shoulder opposite side of the rings. Make sure the rings are nice and high up there. Make sure you're holding baby's head, and then you can lift baby up really high on your shoulder. Hold baby with your left hand, take your right hand up and through to greet baby's legs, and then let baby sink down into the carrier. Now, before spreading out the fabric on baby's back, you wanna let baby settle in and have the fabric bunched up here so that you can get that nice deep seat before baby's even in. Once baby has that nice deep seat, their bum is lower than their knees. There's a nice little M shape here. You find the top edge with your left hand, you reach your thumb in, and you just pull the very top. You find the very top of the fabric and just pull it up over baby's back while keeping the rest tucked. And you want it so that you could technically reach it over baby's head, but we're just gonna leave it down here. That's just the amount of fabric you need. Baby's hands could either be up like this or tucked in beside them. And now we are going to make sure baby's pelvis is sort of tucked in a little. So we're just gonna take our thumb to the far leg, pull it up, straight across to the other knee, and pull up all our extra fabric. And now we're gonna make sure that all the slack is near the rings. And now we can tighten. So we take the top third, inner third of the fabric here. The inner third of the end corresponds to the top fabric on baby's back. And you just wanna pull it through. And then the middle, pull it through. The bottom, pull it through. Still a little bit of slack here. Really want to pull that through. My sling has actually not been washed or ironed yet, so it's a little hard to get all the slack out. You'll find that it's much easier to adjust once you've given it a good wash and iron and it's a little more broken in. And there you have it. Baby is secure, high on my chest. It's nice and tight. I don't feel like I have to hold the baby in order to feel secure. Baby's close enough that I just give a quick kiss on the top of the head, and I can move and baby moves with me. To get baby out, you just release the tension, and then you can pull the sling up over while keeping your hand on baby's bottom. And now sling is off and you're holding baby. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy.